How to draw a spring garden. You will need the following materials: paper, a black marker, and crayons. Step 1. Use basic shapes to fill your page with flowers. Start by drawing a circle for the center of the flower, then add details inside the circle. Step 2. Add petals to your flower. You can use any shape to create the petals. Step 3. Next, add a stem and leaves to your flower. Step 4. Repeat using different shapes to create flowers of different heights to fill your paper. Consider adding small insects to liven up your spring garden. Step 5. When you're finished, use crayons or markers to color in your flowers. Remember to fill each shape neatly and completely. Don't forget to experiment by mixing your own colors. I used layering to blend colors in my spring drawing. Happy art making!